How Maria Montessori Revolutionized Learning. Lessons for Homeschoolers. What if education could be joyful, empowering, and deeply personal? Over a century ago, Maria Montessori asked the same question and gave us a revolutionary answer. Her groundbreaking ideas didn't just transform classrooms, they hold powerful lessons for homeschoolers striving to create enriching, child-centered learning experiences today. Maria Montessori believed that children thrive when given the tools to explore and learn independently. She transformed sterile classrooms into havens of creativity, placing puzzles, science tools, and art supplies within reach. The lesson? Trust in your child's intrinsic curiosity and guide them gently toward growth rather than directing every step. For homeschoolers, Montessori's approach offers a powerful shift. Instead of rigid schedules or set curriculums, build an environment where your child can take the lead in their education. From kitchen experiments to self-chosen books, the path to learning can be as unique as each child. Montessori understood that learning happens best when it's real and active. Her methods incorporated hands-on tasks, measuring ingredients for baking, or exploring nature's wonders, to make lessons come alive. Through touch and practice, concepts shift from abstract ideas to real skills. Homeschoolers, embrace the tangible. Allow children to manipulate blocks for math or sketch plants for science. Hands-on, learning not only boosts comprehension, but inspires a lifelong love for discovery. Besides, these moments create memories and skills more lasting than completing worksheets alone. At the heart of Montessori's philosophy is respect for the child as an individual. She saw children not as empty vessels to fill, but as capable, curious beings with their own ideas. Respect their pace, honor their interests, and celebrate their progress, no matter how small. For homeschooling families, this is a game changer. Resist measuring achievement solely by standard benchmarks. Let progress unfold organically. Observe closely. Your encouragement and patience could reveal extraordinary sparks of creativity and intellect in your child. Montessori made a point that environments should empower children. Low shelves, accessible tools, and organized spaces are not just about tidiness, they foster independence and confidence. A child who can grab their own markers or pour water from a small pitcher learns responsibility effortlessly. You don't have to mimic a Montessori classroom exactly. Start small. Arrange bookshelves with age-appropriate reads or set up a cozy, clutter-free nook for exploration. Watch your child step into their role as a confident, happy learner at home. Montessori shows us that education is not about conformity, but transformation. Homeschoolers have the freedom to break barriers, crafting meaningful learning journeys. Let inspiration from Montessori guide your approach, whether through project-based learning, storytelling, or quiet observation of your child's evolving interests. Like Montessori taught, education isn't a race, it's a relationship. Build that sacred connection with your children as you explore the world together, drawing wisdom from both successes and challenges. Maria Montessori's legacy is much larger than her classrooms. It's a call to unleash potential, embrace creativity, and nurture independence. Whether it's planting seeds in a garden or discussing history over the kitchen table, homeschooling offers the perfect backdrop to bring her philosophy to life. Simplify, observe, and make space for joy. Your unique homeschooling journey can truly honor the spirit of Montessori's trailblazing brilliance, empowering your children to be self-motivated, confident learners for life. Maria Montessori's vision reminds us that education doesn't need to fit a mold. It's about unlocking each child's unique gifts. Start by creating a child-centered space, offering hands-on experiences, and respecting their pace of growth. Let's revolutionize homeschool learning together. Subscribe now and join us as we dive deeper into transformational education for homeschoolers. Together, we can inspire brighter futures. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.